vehicles are awesome, the city is amazing, and shoot, I don't know.
From the US, Julian Agliani.
Simple session, are you ready? Let's go.
Turns Bogdanovich, Mr. Boga.
Yeah, back people.
Simple session.
First time in Europe, and it's amazing to be here. One of my dreams coming true this time, and I'm Estonian.
Please tell them Estonia, let's make some noise for the finalist skaters. Make as much noise as we can for the winner of Simple Session 2023, Julia!